Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Simple Remedies. We're a part of a group of YouTube channels which includes Simple Beauty Secrets. They publish a lot of similar videos, just in different languages, so be sure to check them out. Today, I'm going to show you how to diminish the appearance of dark under-eye circles. This issue is quite common, and our fans have been looking for some answers. Not only am I going to show you how to reverse the appearance of dark under-eye circles, but I'll also show you 5 different methods to get the job done. Before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button. For our first remedy, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice and 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Mix the ingredients properly and apply the mixture to your under eyes using a cotton pad. Allow the mixture to set overnight. The cucumber juice contains antioxidants and astringent effects that help lighten the appearance of dark circles, while the almond oil acts as a natural anti-inflammatory to reduce under-eye puffiness. Use this remedy consistently for up to 1 week and you will see absolutely amazing results. For our second remedy, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of Vaseline and a squeeze of lemon juice. The vitamin C in lemon juice helps to get rid of under-eye circles due to its skin lightening properties. Use this remedy daily for up to 3 days for best results. Your eyes will look lighter and brighter instantly. If you're enjoying these remedies so far, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Our third remedy is specifically made for those with extremely dark under-eye circles. You'll need just 2 ingredients, baking soda and 2 tablespoons of milk. Baking soda is a natural skin lightener. It's no wonder that it works so well to get rid of dark circles. This mixture turns into a thick paste which you can apply directly to the under-eye area. Allow it to set for 40 minutes. Be sure to use this remedy daily for up to 3 days for best results. For our fourth remedy, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of ground coffee and 2 tablespoons of milk. The caffeine in coffee can tighten skin, smooth puffiness, and fight free radical damage. It also reduces the look of dark under-eye circles. Milk contains lactic acid that helps soften and moisturize the skin under the eyes. Milk can be used as a cold compress to treat dark circles and reduce under-eye puffiness. Apply the mixture to the under-eye area and allow it to set for 30 minutes before wiping away. You can use this remedy consistently for 10 days. For our last remedy, we're going to slice up 1 potato and rub it directly onto the under-eye area for 2 minutes. Potatoes contain ingredients that help reduce puffiness under the eyes. The combination of coldness and starch creates an anti-inflammatory effect that reduces the swelling of vessels which are responsible for dark under-eye circles. Use this remedy continuously for 5 days. I hope you found these remedies to be useful. Be sure to let us know in the comments down below if you decide to try them for yourself. Also, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Thank you so much for watching.